Welcome back to today's video. We are installing N55 midsection pipes on my 1 Series to see if we can get a different exhaust note from my current exhaust setup. The reason why I want to also do this is because I think I burned through my secondary cats at our last track day. So it's going to be interesting to see if there's going to be a different sound or a note coming out from the exhaust, since we might not even have any cats right now in the car, secondary cats. So yeah, let's get into the install. Right here we can see the main difference between these two N54 and N55 sections. So you have secondary cats right there, and then there used to be a resonator right here, but I got the BMW Y pipe, and this has just the resonator on it. So technically, I don't know if you guys want to, but comment down below, we might be able to put the Y pipe on this one and then just have straight through piping, and it would all be OEM technically, since that's a BMW Y pipe. So yeah, comment down below if we should try that as well and see how that sounds. But now we're gonna go back into the install of this one. Okay, so we're at our testing facility right now, and we're going to see how loud the current exhaust setup is on the 1 Series, and then we're going to compare it to the N55 midsection that we're going to install. So this car has secondary cats with the Y pipe. The N55 midsection has a resonator as well. So we might get a louder setup with the N55 pipes, but that's why we're here to check out and see what setup is going to be louder. So we're going to be using our phone to see the dB values of this exhaust setup with the dB values of the N55 midsection setup. It's not going to be 100% accurate using the phone, but it'll give us a general idea of how loud the cars are and which setup is louder or quieter. So let's get into the sound check. Okay, so we just saw the N54 midsection versus the N55 midsection. I'm slightly leaning towards the N55 midsection because it's a slightly different tone for me, and I kind of got used to the N54 midsection. So I'm gonna hold on to the N55 midsection on the car for a little bit and see how I like it. Okay, so comment down below which one you guys prefer more, the N54 midsection or the N55 midsection. I want to see your guys' opinions and help me decide which one I keep on the car. Thanks for checking out today's video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Helps the channel a lot. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.